Can I tell you a secret? I used to think that I am bad at journaling. I used to watch those Pinteresty spreads and think that mine doesn't look like that at all. And I'd see someone writing 6 long pages every night, and I thought that I'm not doing that either. And for the longest time, I thought that I was doing journaling the wrong way. Turns out I was not doing journaling the wrong way. I was just trying to be someone else's version of journaling. Why? So today we are going to find yours. So grab your pens and don't try to be smart and just write, because writing gives you a vision. Now, how to play. Every question has option A, B, C and D. Just write your answer and whichever letter you choose the most will reveal your journaling personality. So let's start this quiz and let's see what is your journaling personality. And there are no wrong answer, no right answer, and absolutely no judging the person who still have 500 stickers untouched because they are just too pretty to touch. And I know you are here. So let's start with the first question. If you buy a brand new journal, what is the first thing that you do? Option A, decorate the first page immediately. Option B, write about your life. Option C, plan the whole layout. And option D, wait for the perfect memory to put inside. I'm giving you 5 seconds. I'm assuming you wrote the answer. And there is a little story of mine, and it's really funny that I used to save a lot of stickers because I thought that I will stick them on that perfect journaling spread. But later did I realize that there will be no perfect time to use, because practice makes a man perfect, and that thing is really true. Because if we will not use as supplies, then how we are expecting that we are going to be perfect in that thing. So use all your supplies, don't wait for that perfect time. Just little Ashmakyan. So take it. Now, question 2. So assume that you have a huge stationery shop. So what is the ideal thing that you will keep in your shop? Option A, washi tapes and stickers. Option B, beautiful notebooks. Option C, planner and sticky notes. And option D, vintage postcards and photo albums. Just write your answer. Question 3. If your journal accidentally got a coffee spilled on it, what will you do? Option A, add characters. Option B, I'd cry to 5 freaking minutes. Option C, I'd remake the page. Option D, honestly, it will become part of the memory. Now, you can write your answer in your notebook. Now let's move on to the question 4, which is your favorite thing to keep is option A, cute packaging. Option B, quotes. Option C, lists. And option D, movie tickets, receipts, and tiny memories. Isn't it strange that a tiny bus ticket make you go back in that time and exact at that moment that you already forgot? How crazy is that? Because pages hold memories but brain forgot. So I will suggest you to start journaling and answer all of these questions. And at the end, you will see that you just find your real journaling personality like mine. Let's go ahead with question 5, which is what will your dream journal look like? Option A, beautiful. Option B, honest. Option C, organized. And option D, nostalgic. Write down your answer. And we will move ahead with the next question. And by the way, at the end, you will really find your journaling personality. And after leaving this video, you will be really obsessed with journaling like me. Let's go ahead with 6th question, which is, let's suppose you have one free evening and you choose to option A, make an aesthetic collage. Option B, write everything on your mind. Option C, update your planner. And option D, print old photographs and remember old times. Let's go ahead with question 7. What's harder for you? Option A, running out of stickers. Option B, running out of words. Option C, running out of structure. Option D, running out of memories to save. Mine is option 1 because I love stickers. Now, let's move ahead with question 8. It's really getting fun. Now, finish the sentence. When I journal. Option A, I create art. Option B, I understand myself. Option C, I organize my life. And option D, I preserve moment forever. That's interesting question. So finally, after all those questions, I'm revealing your journaling personality. So just check your answer. So if you got mostly A option, then you are a visual artist. And you speak in colors, and your journal isn't just paper, it's tiny art gallery. And you probably own more stickers than socks. That's me. So if your option is A, then you are like me because I love creative visuals. If you got most of the answer B, then you are a soul writer. Wow. Then you don't just write, you write feelings. Years from now, your journal won't just tell people what happened, it will tell them exactly how it felt. If you got mostly C, then my friend, you are a organized planner. You love clarity. Checking off a tiny box gives you an unreasonable amount of happiness. And honestly, I respect it because I'm not an organized person, so I respect you a lot. If you have mostly answer D, then my friend, you are a memory keeper. And I respect that a lot because I also love that thing. So you love to keep receipts, tiny papers, flowers, photos, letters, and whatnot. These little things everyone throws away, but you think that ordinary moment will give you a lifetime memory. And here is the twist. You don't have to be just one. You can be a memory keeper and person who loves art, like me. I love memory keeping and also I love creative journals. And you can be a planner who also love writing poetry. And also you can create your unique combination of journaling. I mean, who cares? Just be you. The things you love, you have to do that. That's the core rule of journaling. So you can do anything but create you. One day these pages won't be just paper. It will be a living proof that you were here, you lived, and your ordinary days matter. That's it. And finally, I hope that you find your journaling personality, and don't forget to tell me your journaling personality in the comment section. Till then, tata bye bye. We will meet in next such video.